Hello guys, this is my first video of Animal Jam, and it's a May update, and it's my Mother's Day, and I love hugging one of my friends, or one of my ox. Yeah, so the summer carnival is here. So it says on the this summer carnival is here, and then I'll click on the banner and I can bounce around, goat around. Bah! So there's a lot of game symbols, and I'll see cotton candy machine, whack a phantom, this game, candy catch, good, and here we have carnival darts, dunk a phantom, and phantom ball. So you could go to the shop and have some fun. I could bounce, 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 bounce. And the rule is you don't bounce with cotton candy. That will make you choke and do this weird emoji. So, Jacob, are you trying to be Skid?
No.
Yeah, you sound like Skid from Spooky Month.
Okay.
So the frog is not jumping. I'll make him jump. I think he's doing double jumps instead. So you don't bring cotton candy to the bouncy castle, or else you'll be sick and choke. Like, yeah. So you can't do that. Also, there's a slide. Bah. Bah. Whee! Bah. This is Baamazing. This is the best place ever. Also, the pizza party. I want to go here. So cool! Wow! Oh, cool! There's a disco ball right there. Some spotlights. But sadly, you can't click them. You can play the drums. I mean, no. Here's the drums. A keyboard. A turntable. And the bass guitar. And, and also, this is a pizza TV. Sadly, you don't click that. So that is sadness. So you can bounce around and bow around. Because no, I'm a goat. Say no, I'm a goat. I said no, I'm a goat, 'cause I know, I'm a goat. No, I'm a goat. Say no, I'm a goat. Oh, the penguin is chasing me. And also, there is another party. Or, nope. So, Graham's workshop, it takes a long time before I sorry. And I will exit this, so I might create another video soon. So, hope you guys, thanks for watching. Okay, bye-bye.